Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it because leveler here is only available in video and the pro modes. So let's start with video, for example. Here we are. Now let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and in video settings category at the second place now we have horizontal level option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera leveler. Now let me keep it turned on, and when we move back to the camera we get access to this line in preview. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to record straight video or take straight picture. And now let's move to Pro. As you can see here, it also appears at the center and you can take pictures with that. Don't be scared about all of the settings because you can use them also on auto, or I can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use all of that. Now let's go again to right corner settings, and now in capture settings at the third place we have horizontal level, so let's turn it off to see that the leveler now has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.